Hello YouTube. I am in the jungle. And I looked up the definition of jungle and yes, I'm in one. Well, I've always just called it the woods. Here we go. I am on the west side of the rim, on the outside of the impact crater. I am in Elmore County, and I am searching a creek. We're still in the blast zone. I have seen a couple of snakes, so I'm being really cautious. You can see how tight everything is. It's not the opened up place I was hoping it would be, but sometimes it's just like this. I got to be careful because I don't want anything falling out of these trees on my head. And they will do that. They will drop. It's a defense mechanism. Oh. Let me get out of here. You see above me? Y'all may have just seen a snake that I hadn't seen. That is chalcedony all inside of that. Got a couple of pieces of this out of here before. Don't quite know what to call it, and I don't quite know what it is. Just gotten this sunlight and it's completely blinding me, so I got to let my eyes focus before I move. See, now I've got two pieces of it, and this is full of iron. I can see it. Or like little iron balls, which would, it looks like that would be garnets that just crushed in my hand. So let me, okay. I need to quit playing and get focused here. I need to move forward. I can't find anything being blind. Okay, here we go, I can see. And you see the leaves. It's not even that time of the year. Our weather has been completely messed up. And now we got leaves on the ground. Snakes are the very color of these leaves. Some of them. The one I seen he was beautiful, but you can go back to the first one of these. I hadn't decided what I'm gonna call this place yet, but you'll see them linked up together. The first, he's not scary. He's just a little creature. I hear it moving. I got to walk back through that mess. That's the fun part. I don't remember it being so tight in here. That's beautiful. But I'm just not going to load down in this. Oh shoot, that leaf moving just scared me. I'm not listening to myself. And anytime I do that, I usually get in trouble. And then I warned myself just like I just did. And still I didn't listen. I'm gonna give this a few more minutes. You see what I'm dealing? I'm under all of this. Logs are above my head. And I'm all bent down looking at the ground for some rocks. That's what I do. Stupid stuff. Exploring. But I don't even call it that. I'm just looking, having a good time getting out of the house. And that's nice. I like that red. I'm gonna try to make this look as good as I can. I don't think that, yeah. Oh, well. And the sun's behind me. That looks like a casting. But they don't look like, see all that glitter? That's a huge piece of crystal right there. Humongous. Look, there's a nice piece right by it. That's why I know that there's going to be some arrowheads in here. I was told there is. And I know where I am. There should be plenty of it. It's just getting your eye on it. Am I willing to walk up there? I see movement. Because I do not want to sink down in this mess and get trapped. I have bad dreams about this kind of stuff right here. Look at that. Everything looks like a snake. Every single bit of it. Now how can you find a snake when everything looks like one? You just keep going. And just hopefully, I don't remember this being so tight. I think I'm in a new place. Just seen a big, nice sized fish in this shallow water. Huh. This must have been on my way out last time, because I have not gotten to the place where I was filming before. And that's where I just came out of. We'll have a lot of them pictures, y'all. They're going to be in and outs, because I'm trying to look out for the critters and find, trying not to fall down and kill myself. Get over these logs. I hear what I like. See, I gotta get over this. And this is where they like to get. Up on here, in there, and over here. So here we go. And I always forget that rule, you gotta go back. So I'm just gonna try to step wide. Boy, I'm glad I got this camera strapped to my arm. If I had to start running out of here, this camera would just be flying. I don't plan on doing that, but I always know there's a possibility. And it's getting hard to see with that. You need to go that way. I'm just... fungus. I see some stuff. These walls are crumbling really nice. That's how you find that new, long lost, beautiful stuff. I think I'm just gonna, walk through here. Just scared myself. Ooh, okay. I'm glad this clay is not slippery. because I don't think I'd go through here if it was. Look at that. It'd be something else to get home and see what I'm looking for in the video. I'm sure that's been done before. Uh-oh. I'm gonna look at what that is up under there. Well, that looks like something I'm very much so looking for. And I'd be really happy if that's what I think it is. I'm gonna build it. No, I don't think it is. Oh, golly. That freaked me out. Reaching under there without looking. Kind of dumb. Well, it is dumb. It kind of nothing. I'm gonna walk up through this mess. Another kind of dumb thing. But I know there's a big bin up here. See, this is just so different. You can tell I'm completely spoiled. By those big, wide open, sandy creeks. You get up in this river down here, get back in this wild mess. It's fun. I love it. You see where the walls are coming down, deteriorating. Oh. Big old bird. But at least they hear me. So anything that was something really big above me, Lord, I hope it ain't a snake coming down slowly but surely. Look at that. I think that's a piece of that iron I was telling you about. No. What people do in the name of fun. This is going to be my last video in here. I'm going to go somewhere else. Much nicer. They can keep their arrowheads. I don't want them. I don't care. I'll find one day. I've had several people reach out to me and offer me arrowhead. And I do appreciate that completely. I appreciate it. But it's me finding it. That's what I want. I want to find it. And I do appreciate everybody that's, because there's quite a few that's wanting to see me arrowheads. But it's just a mission that I'm on myself. For me. Well, I just don't remember this. Don't remember this being so open. That's a big old pecan tree right there. See that? But like I said, last time I was in here, there was huge areas you had to cross through. I'm not too excited about the snakes either. I'm always talking about looking for them. I think that is called Thai basil. I'm not sure what that blue flower is, but there it is. You see a huge log in there, clay bottom, and I'm just not feeling it going up that. My instincts has done warned me to turn around, and I don't see the open places where I was before. Okay, this is gonna be called Scary Creek, and I'll do a video about it called Scary Creek. Y'all be blessed. I'm going somewhere much prettier than this.